The 7-Day Reset provides everything you need to focus on your nutritional well-being for a full week. Combining the scientifically validated combination of shake days and cleanse days along with stress-busting adaptogens, providing a convenient way to get maximum nutrition while managing daily stress, supporting detoxification processes, and healthy weight management. For 6 of your 7 days, you will be following an Isagenix shake day protocol, replacing 2 meals with 2 isoline shakes, and then enjoying a balanced and nutritious meal and 1 to 2 healthy snacks depending on your personal needs. Your 7-Day Reset also includes a daily serving of adaptogen elixir, providing key herbs and botanicals for general well-being and stress support. To round out your reset, you will follow a nutritionally supported intermittent fasting protocol known as a cleanse day, named after the star product Cleanse for Life. This beverage will be consumed 4 times throughout your day, offering targeted nourishment to help you feel your best while providing key ingredients to support your body's natural detoxification processes. And for added support, your 7-Day Reset includes 3 snack bites which can be consumed as needed on a cleanse day.